We're actually here in Clark International Airport, preparing for our flight.
It's me again.
It's us again.
Ako kalasama lagi mag-travel.
It's us again, and we're bound to Hong Kong. See you, Hong Kong. Finally mga darling, natupad na ang isa sa mga nasa bucket list natin. Ito ay ang pagkakaroon ng international travel sa ating mga vlogs. Kaya samahan nyo ako sa journey na ito. So, we were able to pass na the boarding gate and the immigration. We're now heading to our boarding gate, going to Hong Kong. Ayan, so mga darling, this is my first international travel for this year. So, samahan nyo ako and explore natin ang Hong Kong. This is actually my first time. So, tara! Like I mentioned mga darling, no, this is my first international flight for this year. So, I'm kinda nervous about the immigration process. It was 3 a.m. in the morning, so early. Well, everything went smoothly naman at walang aberya so far. So, actually here at the boarding gate, our flight is 6:15 a.m. Right now, it's 3:30. We actually anticipated the immigration interview because sometimes mahigpit, sometimes okay lang. Pero kami, it was a smooth transaction. So medyo chill-chill lang muna dito. Antay ng mga 2 oras. And then board na sa plane. See you later. So we actually arrived in Hong Kong at around 8 to 8:30 a.m. Welcome to Hong Kong!
Good morning, Hong Kong.
At katulad ng pag-alis namin sa Pilipinas, so far, smooth pa rin naman ang arrival namin dito sa Hong Kong. Isa lang ang na-notice ko sa mga international arrivals, yung gate nila is medyo malayo-layo siya sa immigration. Kaya if you're traveling with seniors or children, might as well request na for special assistance. I know that you can request this through the airlines of your choice. Although, may mga walkolators naman, so hindi puro lakad lang. And of course, there is also a train going to immigrations. And so mga darling, dyan sa part na yan, marami na akong nakikita mga advertisements sa airport. So feeling ko malapit na talaga kami. And finally, ayan, nakalabas na kami ng airport. We are now on our way to our hotel. Share ko lang no mga darling, hindi ko sure if nabudol kami or what. This is actually an airport transfer that I booked via Klook. So thinking na this is already prepaid, wala na kaming babayaran. So they just have to pick us up from the airport and then just drop us off at the hotel. However, ayan, ito na yung malaking however. The driver was Chinese, so medyo nahihirapan siya to communicate at sabihin sa amin na we have to pay 150 Hong Kong dollars extra. So, ayun lang. We are here in... Ito tayo, no? Ay, din sa kapila.
Ching Lane.
Ay, ito pala yun. Diba? Talaga akong magaling sa direction. We are here in the streets of Hong Kong. Dumating kami ng mga 8:30 kanina sa airport. Hindi na ako nakapag-video kasi medyo stressful ng konti yung airport transfer namin. So, hindi ko na nakuhanan yung papunta rito. Pero may mga shots yata ako na nakuhanan. So ngayon, nag-withdraw lang kami saglit. And hanap muna kami ng kakainan. After namin kumain, diretso na kami sa Disneyland. So, This is gonna be our first day here in Hong Kong, 2024. So, samahan niyo ako mga darling. Ikutin natin ang Hong Kong. See ya! So gusto ko lang din i-share mga darling. So aside sa mga expenses namin sa hotel, sa airplane, syempre dapat may pocket money ka din. And since this is my first time in Hong Kong, wala talaga ako idea sa mga food expenses and all that. We're in the train MRT. MRT going to... We're currently in green line. We're going to change lane later. We're going to red line, and then after that we're going to the orange line. So what I came up with is to bring 10,000 pesos na pocket money, and then from there bahala na ako mag-budget kung ano yung magkakasya for me to survive this 4 days 3 nights trip to Hong Kong. And guess what mga darling, hindi naman ako nagkamali sa pag-estimate ng aking budget for this trip. Nairaos naman ako mga darling ng 10k sa mga pagkain and of course, some pasalubong for the family. Changing to orange line. Finally, going to Chenwan. Disney Resort line. So, ayun na nga mga darling, no? Right after na drop off namin yung mga gamit namin sa hotel, dumiretso na kami for lunch. And then after lunch, ayan, binagtas na namin lahat ng kulay ng metro para makarating sa aming first stop of the day, which is Disney. Finally arrived a sunny day. MTR exit now for the last tram. It's still on this one. To Disneyland Resort, Disney Shuttle or tram. So ayun, tram ako ng tram. Train pala yun. So sorry na mga darling. Pasensyahan nyo na ako. It's my first time. Ayan na mga darling, we finally got into the Disney train at walang pagsidla ng aking excitement at parang bumalik ako sa pagkabata. Okay, we're inside now. We're inside Disney Resort. We're heading to Disneyland. Yung Minnie Mouse nyo, bulas na. Minnie Mouse, nakakulay nila din gusto red. And finally, getting out of the Disney train, we have arrived at the Disneyland train station. At dyan sa part na yan mga darling, naririnig ko na ang theme song ng Disney. Super mixed emotions talaga ako dyan mga darling, ano? May excitement, medyo nervous, pero mas masaya pa rin yung feeling na parang bata ka ulit. Kaya mga darling, ngayon naniniwala talaga ako na this is one of the happiest place on earth. Kaya naman mga darling, wag na wag kayong bibitaw please at samahan nyo ko i-explore natin ang Disneyland.